Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You lot think you can handle a full day on an empty stomach? You think you're gonna be firing on all cylinders without a proper bloody breakfast? Get a grip. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is crucial for energy, focus, and overall health. But who has time to be faffing about in the kitchen all morning? Today I'm sharing 7 incredibly easy, quick, and delicious breakfast ideas that are packed with the nutrition you need to kickstart your day the right way. No more excuses, you hear me? Let's get started. Alright, you lazy sods, this one's for those of you who can't even boil water in the morning. It's called overnight oats, and it's so easy a donkey could make it. Get yourself a jar, chuck in some rolled oats, your choice of milk, none of that sugary rubbish mind you, and a spoonful of chia seeds. Chia seeds. They're packed with fiber and omega-3s, not like the greasy spoon breakfast you lot are used to. Now, because even you lot can manage a bit of color, throw in some berries. Antioxidants, vitamins, a bit of sweetness, it's not rocket science. Stick it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, bam! You've got yourself a breakfast fit for a human being. Oh, and to add a bit of crunch and healthy fats, top it off with some nuts. Almonds, walnuts, whatever you fancy. Just don't come crying to me when your taste buds are blown away by this simple, delicious breakfast. It's all about preparation, you see. Get everything ready the night before, and you'll have no excuses in the morning. No more skipping breakfast because you overslept or couldn't be bothered. This is your fuel for the day, so get it right. Eggs, the breakfast of champions, packed with protein to keep you full and focused, not like those sugary cereals that'll have you crashing by mid-morning. We're talking proper scrambled eggs here, not the rubbery mess you get in some dodgy cafes. First, grab your veggies, spinach, bell peppers, onions, whatever you've got lurking in the fridge. A bit of color never hurt anyone, and it's good for you, so no complaining. Sauté them in a pan with a touch of olive oil. None of that greasy muck you're used to. While they're softening, crack your eggs into a bowl. And don't even think about giving me those shell-filled abominations. Whisk them up with a fork, season with salt and pepper, and pour them into the pan with your veggies. Keep stirring, keep it moving, we don't want any burnt bits. There you have it, speedy scrambled eggs, ready in minutes. Serve it up with a slice of whole wheat toast for some complex carbs, and you've got yourself a breakfast that'll power you through the morning. No excuses for a slow start with this one. Alright, listen up, this next one is for those of you who like things quick and easy. Greek yogurt with granola and fruit. It's refreshing, it's packed with protein, and it'll wake up those taste buds. Now, we're not talking about those sugary yogurt pots filled with artificial rubbish. We're talking proper Greek yogurt, the high-protein stuff that'll keep you full till lunchtime. Choose plain yogurt to avoid added sugars, and don't even think about skimping on the portion size. Next, grab your granola. And not that sugary processed crap. We want something with whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Something that will add a bit of crunch and fiber to your breakfast. Finally, add some fruit. Berries, bananas, chopped apples, whatever you fancy. Fresh, frozen, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you get some color and vitamins in there. There you have it. A quick, easy, and nutritious breakfast that'll set you up for the day. No more excuses for grabbing a pastry on the go. Chapter 4, Avocado Toast. The trendy one, avocado toast. It's everywhere these days, isn't it? But don't let the trendiness fool you. This breakfast is actually good for you. And it's dead simple to make. First, toast your bread. And don't even think about giving me white bread. We want whole wheat, something with a bit of fiber and substance. While that's toasting, grab your avocado. Ripe, soft, and ready to be mashed. Scoop it out of its skin, chuck it in a bowl, and mash it up with a fork. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and maybe a squeeze of lemon juice if you're feeling fancy. Now spread that avocado goodness onto your toast, and don't be shy with it. We want a good, thick layer. Finally, the piece de resistance, everything bagel seasoning. Sprinkle it on top of your avocado toast for an explosion of flavor. There you have it, avocado toast fit for a king. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and flavor. You can even top it with a fried or poached egg for an extra protein boost. Listen up, you lot. This next one is for those of you who are always on the go. Smoothies. They're quick, they're easy, and you can pack a ton of nutrients into one glass. Now, I'm not talking about those sugary smoothies you get in the shops. We're talking about proper homemade smoothies packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein. Start with a base of leafy greens. Spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, whatever you've got. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. Next, add some fruit for sweetness and vitamins. Bananas, berries, mangoes, the possibilities are endless. Now for some protein. A scoop of protein powder, some Greek yogurt, or even some nut butter will do the trick. Finally, add some liquid. Almond milk, coconut water, or even just plain old water will do. Blitz it all up in a blender until smooth, and you've got yourself a breakfast that's ready to go. You can even make a big batch and keep it in the fridge for a quick and easy breakfast all week long. This next one is a classic for a reason. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. Whole wheat toast with nut butter and banana. It's a breakfast staple that never gets old. First, toast your bread. And you know the drill by now. No white bread. We want whole wheat for its fiber and nutrients. While that's toasting, grab your nut butter. Peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, whatever tickles your fancy. Just make sure it's the natural stuff, without any added sugar or palm oil. Spread a generous amount of nut butter onto your toast, and don't be stingy with it. We want a good, thick layer. Finally, top it off with some sliced banana. The natural sweetness of the banana pairs perfectly with the salty nut butter. There you have it. A classic breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. You can even sprinkle on some chia seeds or hemp seeds for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3s. Cottage cheese? Yeah, you heard me right, cottage cheese. It's not just for your nan anymore. This protein powerhouse is making a comeback, and for good reason. It's packed with protein, calcium, and it's low in calories. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cottage cheese? Really? But trust me on this one. It's actually quite delicious, especially when you pair it with the right toppings. Start with a good quality cottage cheese. Full fat, low fat, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure it's fresh. Next, add some fruit. Berries, chopped peaches, diced mango, whatever you fancy. The natural sweetness of the fruit will help to balance out the tanginess of the cottage cheese. Finally, sprinkle on some seeds. Flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. They all add a bit of crunch and a whole lot of nutrition. There you have it. A simple yet satisfying breakfast that's packed with protein, calcium, and healthy fats. Don't knock it till you've tried it. So there you have it, 7 easy, quick, and incredibly nutritious breakfast ideas to help you start your day strong. Remember that fueling your body with the right nutrients in the morning can make a huge difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. No more excuses for skipping breakfast, you hear me? If you found these breakfast ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and nutritious meal inspiration. And don't forget to comment below and let me know which of these breakfasts you're going to try first. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic and energized day.